Hi boys, what are you doing?
I'm cutting a cardboard
What for?
to make a New Year tree.
And you, Raul, what are you doing this for?
To wish Happy New Year to our friends in Agada.
Okay, very nice. Keep up the good work, okay? Keep it up.
Okay.
Hello boys,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Well, I'm doing a chimney, and then I'm going to draw a fire of the chimney, and now I'm trying to draw a New Year tree.
Okay, and you, what are you doing?
I'm doing these cards to wish our friends from Adana in Turkey a Happy New Year.
Okay, and what is a mountain?
Yes,
And this?
these are the forests.
A forest, okay,
Yes.
very good. Okay, and Alex, what do you think our friends in Turkey are doing for us?
The same, they are making New Year postcards for us.
Very good. Let's keep up the good work, yeah?
Yes. Hi, Lauren.
Hello. Hi boys. Look what I got for you.
What is this?
Surprise.
Whoa. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Remember the ones that we did for the Turkish boys and girls? So these are the ones for us.
I like it so much.
That's amazing.
They're really
Each one of you will have one, okay?
Okay.
But first, we can hand them on the notice board in the classroom, all right?
This one is very nice.
Yeah, many. There are many. All of them.
This is so cool.
And this?
I like it very much.
This is so
Oh
beautiful.
yeah, with the reindeer.
Yes.
And this.
For you.
And this one.
It's